Are you not getting any sound on Windows 10? So quickly fix this issue by watching this video till the end. One of the most common problem with Windows 10 is that there is no sound, so it can be resolved quickly by watching the steps which I am giving you in this video. Check the cable and volumes properly if it is connected or not. If you do not hear sound from your external device, so check speaker and headphone properly. Second method is check your speaker settings. Go to this voice, right click on this, click on playback devices. Make sure that this is checked in the speaker which you are using. At present you can see my headphone is connected and you can see it is properly checked. Now go to this option and click on this, make it default. So click on OK and make the speaker default so that it is also useful. After that go to properties, on advanced. Herein you can select this 16-bit and test the image. Click on this test to check it, and you can check it properly by using this test option. The next method is go to the device manager. Now go to sound, this option, sound and video. You can uninstall and reinstall from here, uninstall and then reinstall a driver, or click on update. Make sure that this is updated. Method is disable audio enhancement. Open control panel, click on sound, select this and click on properties, click on enhancement, click on this disable all enhancements. So click on this option and click apply and disable everything. Start audio services. So close this and click on window R, type services.msc and click on OK. Windows Audio, this one, right click on this and click on restart. Starting it, make sure to restart your PC as well, and then your audio will work properly fine. I hope this video helped you. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel. Bye friends, take care.